welcome back to my channel, Craft That. Today I'm really excited because I'm going to make a DIY little Christmas house. And I'm so excited for this video, so let's just get started. So I'm going to use this wooden house, and I got it at Target, and I really like it because it lights up. And also I like that it's white because the coat might not go on well. So with the bottom layer white, I think the paint will go on as well. So, yep. And now I'm going to paint the roof. I'm not going to paint like the house kind of part. I'm just going to paint the roof, and I'm going to use this fuchsia color, and because I think that'll look really good. So let's start painting. Okay guys, so I finished painting the roof. I just did like a quick little layer. It still looks really good even though it was a quick layer, and it really dried really fast. So now I guess since it dried, I'm just gonna wait a little bit longer, but now since it's dried basically, I think I can start decorating. So while that's still drying a little bit, I'm gonna show you some decorations. I have these little bows that I'm gonna use, these little lights that I'm really excited about, little candy canes, peppermints, wreaths, and there's just Santa hats. There's like so much fun stuff, and I got most of these stuff at Hobby Lobby, so go check Hobby Lobby out if you want to get these cute little decorations, because they'll probably have them there if it's during Christmas time. Okay, so first I'm going to take my hot glue gun and I'm going to glue on the little lights. So I'm going to do like a pattern. I'm going to start with red. I'm going to do a little dot of glue right there and stick it on. It kind of slides, I noticed, so you kind of have to press it there for a second. And then you can just pull this any glue strings. And then I'm going to do another little dot of glue and just stick on the next one. I think I'll do, maybe blue. I'll go with blue. And I'm just going to stick it on. Okay, now I'll see you guys when I'm done putting on all the lights. Okay, so here it is. I finished putting them on, and I love it. I think it looks adorable. And that's just the start of decorating this house. We have a lot more to go. I'm going to do the little wreaths. These are adorable. I really love these, and they're super cute. I just like them. So miniature, and I just like them. Okay, so here we have one right here, if I can get it out. Okay. And it looks like it's almost like a little charm kind of thing. So I'll probably cut it off after I get it on the house. And I think I'm going to put it right there. So I already glued it on, and now I'm going to use these little candy canes. This is also a charm, I think. I don't really know. And I think I'm going to do it on the side of the house. Like that, I think. So I'm just going to put a little bit of glue on the back of the candy cane. And then I'm going to stick it on. And don't put it on the wrong side of the candy cane, because, yeah, if you put it on the wrong side by accident, you probably have to use another one. So, and now I'm going to add some more glue onto this candy cane. Okay, now stick it on. Okay, now I'm just going to let this dry for a bit, and I'll see you guys when I'm going to do my next decoration thingy for the house. So yeah. Okay, now I'm going to do this like Santa hat. I think that'll look really cute on top of the house. So I'm just going to put some, okay. I don't know how well that'll stick. Let's see, I'm going to put it on. It almost looks like that's where the chimney is, so I think that's going to be cute. Oh my gosh, guys, this is starting to look super cute. It sticks actually really well, better than I thought it would. Okay, that's the house so far. It's super cute. Okay, so I have this white piece of paper. You can use whatever color you want. And I'm going to make a little pathway up to the house. And the house is going to go there. I'm not going to glue it on because I want to turn it off and off, on and off the switch. And I'm going to use these little peppermints I have. And I'm going to glue them on. Well, I don't know if I'm going to glue them on, but I'm just going to put them on as little, like, kind of like stones, or they're peppermint stones, almost, and then to, like, I think that's good. to like get into the house, if you know what I mean. And then I'm gonna take more of those little candy canes that we used, that we glued onto the house, but I'm gonna glue them on kind of like the sides of the peppermints to make a pathway. Okay, so you can see it this way, but now I'm going to show you the big reveal, like, so you can see it the right. Okay guys, so here it is. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. The pathway is so cute. The little Santa hat on top is adorable. And I just love it so much, and I really recommend this craft. You guys should do it. Make it for a friend or something, and it's so much fun. And please like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!